That's Aragon. He's teasing everybody, running under the cupboard and hiding. Isn't he, Kaylee? That's Arlo, the big boy. He's come to stay for a few nights. Aragon, Kaylee, and oh, Boo Boo. I call him Boo Boo. His name's Graham. Baby! You're my baby, aren't you, darling? Arlo's not fat. He has lots of fluff and lots of skin to grow into. Look at that gorgeous baby of mine. He's a beautiful boy. I think Miss Beebe's pregnant. Very sucky. Auntie Beebe. Beebe. Don't want to play, do you, darling? Silly boys. And Monica. Monica's here. Hey, Bubba. We're going to have puppies. It'll be so exciting. Do an ultrasound soon and we can see them, can't we? Oh, let's all gang up on Arlo. Aragon. How you doing, George? Pacing in and out. I fell up the stairs at my friend's house last night. Relative's house, and I got a big bruise and a humongous swollen knee. I was just debating whether to go to the doctor's. It really hurts there. It's like an elephant's leg. The whole leg's swollen all the way down. Can't pick my feet up. That's the trouble. Are you finished yet? George is 15 in a few days. Oh, maybe it was a few days ago. It was about the 19th of January, so what's the date now? Yeah, 2 days' time. He's got fluffy feet. He needs to have your coat trimmed, don't you, George? You look a mess. She spends the day bossing the pugs around, don't you, Rob? Yeah. Wow, I'm just about to sort that cupboard out. That's why they're playing over there. All that stuff's got to go back away. Be tidied up. Might have puppies in about 5 weeks' time. Look at the little fat belly. What's the little belly? Look at the little belly. Hopefully they'll all conk out in a minute and I can get something done. Bug attack! Bug attack! Oh God. Oh, did a fly go past? What are they doing, George? Look at the mess they've made. Torn up all my newspaper. 4-1 now, Karen. What are you doing? Is it 4-1 now? Hello. Hello, you good boy. You're beautiful. Yes, you are. Don't hurt the bad knee. Don't jump up on my bad knee. Good boy. Get him. Poor Aragon. 4 against 1's not fair. George likes the boys. Hey, Mr. Graham. So watch out, the gang's in town, baby. Right, go and get some ice on my leg first.